Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Today I am drawing this beautiful dress. Watch the video till the end. We need pink color, orange color, red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, purple color. Let's start. Please subscribe. This dress is going to be so colorful after the painting. Woo! Now I am drawing magic wand. Woo! I am drawing crown. Woo! I am coloring with blue color. Pink color. Yellow color. Woo! Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. See you on next video.